How to repair a foundation crack? Well, if you have a hairline crack as thin as human hair and you can see it, make it bigger, top to bottom. Make it bigger to about minimum 1/2 inch on 3/4 of an inch. So with a jackhammer or with a hammer and chisel, just make it bigger to about 1/2 an inch or 3/4 of an inch. This one here, this foundation crack on which I was working at night, is wide enough for me. So what do? You get hydraulic cement, or you can use regular cement, but hydraulic is preferable. Hydraulic cement, it means fast-setting cement, which at room temperature will take about 5 minutes to set. A little bit longer at cold temperature, very fast at higher temperatures. So be very careful and use very little when you work on a hot day. Anyway, so if you have a slit as thick as this one here, as wide as this one, just make hydraulic cement, mix it with water. Remember, you won't have much time. Mix it to about consistency of a thick dough and just push it right into the crack, from preferably down up. Just bang by force with your palm. Then go about 2-3 inches to the left, 2-3 inches to the right, and go all the way the foundation crack goes. Once you have it in there, just smooth it out, pretty good looks, and you're done. Just leave it like this, and preferably do not put any hydrocarbons, it means any tar, because this is still a cement, and this cement for setting for good, for feeling good, needs moisture, so it will absorb the moisture from the surrounding ground. That's it, you'll be done.